Alright, welcome back to the moon. Alright, we're going to explore to the moon. Right, so we're gaining a positive energy to have a condition in our mind, our body. Alright, so yun, we have to challenge ourselves. Walking, jogging tonight. Alright. Okay. So yun, we have to challenge our body at least 30 minutes.